Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I really wanted to jump in and talk about stockbrokers. This is a very common question that I get asked on this channel is, Carter, I am looking to trade, whether it's day trade, swing trade, and I need a solid stockbroker. What are your recommendations? So we're going to be breaking down pretty much my top 3. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys want to sign up for any one of these, I'll put them down below. They're absolutely all fantastic. Also, guys, if you want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the markets, check out my school. Code half off. 3 spots left. We have private live streams, group chats, quizzes, lectures. It's absolutely fantastic. So check it out, and I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So starting off is, what is a stockbroker? Because I do think it's important to understand what a stockbroker is before we break down the top 3. So a stockbroker pretty much just gives us, the average investor or the retail investor, a way to buy shares inside a company. Now, most stockbrokers offer a variety of different products. Now, the products could be stocks, ETFs, bonds, mutual funds. It all depends on the broker. Now, the thing is, though, is as a trader, you need to find a broker that meets your needs. And the reason why I say that is because there's going to be brokers out there that are fully devoted for traders or long-term investors, or just a variety of different types of people that make money in the market. So the biggest recommendation is, if you don't get something out of these 3, I highly recommend looking at, a variety of different ones. You can find them online and they're all great, but just find a broker anyways that meets your needs. So let's start off with broker number 1. Now, broker number 1 is a broker that personally I've been using for over 6 years, and this is my full-time swing trading broker, and it's Mumu. Now, for those of you that don't know what Mumu is a broker that pretty much, this is a trading broker. So as a swing trader, I love to have different indicators, different studies. I love to be able to draw different things out, like this little tool here where we have our target, our risk and reward, our stop loss, and just plan my trades out. On top of that, they do offer a great watch list tool. They offer great scanners. And the biggest thing that I think that this separates itself from a variety of different brokers like Robinhood is going to be the paper trading. Paper trading is using simulated money to practice your entries, your exits, your risk management skills. So as you get more into trading, you're going to want to practice different strategies, and you can make money in the long run because you're just working on different things. So you can use your hard-earned cash and capital once you have a strategy. But Mumu, guys, absolutely fantastic. And the great thing about it as of right now is they have a new fraction shares. Before, you'd have to buy full shares of a company, and honestly, that wasn't very good for beginners, because if you only had a couple $100, you couldn't even buy full shares of certain stocks. So this is awesome. On top of that, the only issue, in my opinion, that Mumu does offer or does have is they don't have any IRA accounts. IRA accounts are tax incentivized retirement accounts. Now, like I said, this is a trading account, not a long-term investment account. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not that big of a deal. But for some of you that want to keep all of your trading and investing all in one place, I think there might be other options out there. All right, moving on to broker number 2. Broker number 2 is a broker that I actually continue to use, but this one here is going to be Robinhood. And I know. Right now, you guys are saying, Carter, why would you ever use Robinhood? Robinhood's not very good. Well, guys, Robinhood, very beginner-friendly platform. They offer IRA accounts, they offer 3% match, and they offer a variety of tools to help traders. The only drawback that Robinhood does offer, in my opinion, is it does have a little bit of subpar trading tools, but it does have a very beginner style platform. So if you're looking to day trade, I probably wouldn't use Robinhood, but swing trading, you can do you can do good damage. Like, you can make good money with Robinhood. I've grown several accounts with Robinhood, and honestly, I have an IRA with Robinhood, and it's just an easy broker to use and navigate, and you don't feel overwhelmed with Robinhood. I mean, if you compare Robinhood to something like this, which Mumu does have, Mumu has, you're going to be a little more overwhelmed looking at something like this compared to just a very, very basic style platform like Robinhood. All right. Let's move on to the last and final one here, broker number 3. Broker number 3 is going to be TD Ameritrade's ThinkorSwim. Now, this here is actually, they just got bought out by Charles Schwab, so it's like Charles Schwab trading platform or whatever. But anyways, you guys know ThinkorSwim. Now, ThinkorSwim is very, very similar, in my opinion, to Mumu. Now, they do offer a variety of great tools and charting and scanning, and honestly, it could be a toss-up depending on the day, whether it's Mumu or ThinkorSwim. But I definitely think here that ThinkorSwim, the great benefit about ThinkorSwim is they do offer a lot more tools, not even for trading, but just for investing as well. They offer different IRA accounts. They offer a variety of things to help you as the trader. I do think, though, Mumu has a better trading platform, and then TD Ameritrade does have a better investing platform than Mumu, but it's just a hair below it for the trading, because ThinkorSwim does a great job for trading. But ThinkorSwim, guys, Robinhood, Mumu, they're all absolutely fantastic brokers, and brokers that I would really, really recommend. And the thing is, like I said, finding a broker that meets your needs is always going to be the first step. So, guys, the biggest thing, sign up for a variety of them and pick ones that you like. I'll put them down below. I know with our referral with Mumu, you guys get 15 free stock. With Robinhood, you get, I think, $5 or $10 of stock. And then ThinkorSwim, you don't get anything. So, but anyways, you guys are more than welcome to use the codes down below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care and have a good weekend.